The MT378 black aluminum handle, Tonto style blade. Check it out. Razor sharp. Looks really neat with the, the belt clip. Tonto style blade. Razor sharp. Great knife. That's an MT378.
This is the Ghost Strike Fixed Blade. It's an ultra-light self-defense knife with a sheath system that can be configured for low profile or open carry, and can be worn horizontally on a belt beneath an untucked shirt, or vertically on a belt like a traditional fixed blade knife. Detach the belt loops from the grommet holes and arrange them for best fit and comfort. The US 420 high carbon steel fine edge drop point blade is coated in black ceramic to resist corrosion and maintain a low visual profile. At 3.3 inches, the compact skeletal blade is sized for a subtle presence and can be worn without printing. Know your local laws before you decide how to wear this knife. Proudly made in Portland, Oregon, this is the Ghost Strike Fixed Blade.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.